Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Opel Combo 2012 to 2018? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they are located and explain how they keep your car's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2015 Opel Combo manages and protects interior electrical systems such as power windows, audio, and climate control, ensuring steady power flow and reliable cabin functionality. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2018 Opel Combo manages and protects interior electrical systems such as power windows, audio, and climate control, ensuring steady power flow and reliable cabin functionality. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2015 Opel Combo safeguards key engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling, ensuring efficient power distribution and dependable performance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2018 Opel Combo safeguards key engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling, ensuring efficient power distribution and dependable performance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.